Hey, what's up, everybody? So today I'm going to be talking about how to get a 0% car loan. And first off, if you're new to the channel, my channel is about personal finance, just saving money, credit card hacks, travel hacks, just young millennial stuff. Yeah, just subscribe to my channel, hit the little notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm gonna try my best to upload from now on from every Monday and every Thursday. But yeah, thanks a lot. I appreciate everyone who watches my videos. And now, the way you go about doing this, getting a car loan at 0% interest, is it's very unusual, and not everyone does it, but this is how I did it. The way I did it is I went to a car dealership, and I won't give you the exact numbers, but I'll give you an example. Say a car is $10,000 and you have the cash. You have $10,000 in cash. You go to the dealership, you tell them, hey, I want to buy your car for $10,000. They say, no, we're not doing it in cash. They give you a very hard time on selling the car in cash. So they want you to finance the car. So you go to finance the car, and now, interest rate is maybe 5%, 6% on a used car. A lot of brand new cars, they do offer 0%, but that's very rare nowadays. So what you do is you get the car loan, you put a little bit down, whatever you have to put down, put 1,000 or 2 down in cash. And the way you do it, you get the loan, and in the first month, in order to avoid paying any interest at all in the car loan, and this only works if you plan to pay off the car in maybe like a year to a year and a half. This works best for people who's trying to pay off the car ASAP, and they don't want to pay any interest, and they already have the money pretty much. If they did have to pay it off, they could. So the way to do this is you use a service called Plastiq, and what Plastiq allows you to do is pay off your bills with a credit card. So the way you would go about doing this is you would sign up for a new credit card. Now let's say, and also, by the way, while you get the 0% interest, you also get a huge discount on your car if you do it right. So the way I did it, and the way you guys can do it, is, let's say, for example, your car is $10,000 and you put down $2,000 and you have $8,000 left on the life of the loan, and you do the loan for whatever, 6 years or whatever it is. But you plan to pay off the car within a year to a year and a half. So you get the car loan, and in the first month of the loan, you sign up for, let's say, depending on your credit worthiness, let's say, for example, you sign up for the Chase Freedom card and the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. Each of them have a sign-up bonus of 500. Spending 500 and you get 150 back. So right there, you could put $1,000 towards your car, and you have 15 months to pay that $1,000 off. Now your balance is only $7,000. You still have to pay the other $7,000, right? So what you do is you sign up for another credit card. Now let's say you sign up for let's say the American Express Everyday Blue card, right? So with the Everyday Blue card, the sign-up bonus is spend $1,000 and you get $200 back. So now, boom, you paid off and you have a year to pay that off, and you have 0%. So boom, now you paid off $2,000 worth of your car. So instead of owing $8,000, you now owe $6,000. And the American Express card, you spend $1,000 and you get $200 back. So now you got 150 back from the Chase Freedom. You got 150 back from the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Well, actually, right now the Chase Freedom Unlimited does not. Wait, not the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Sorry, I just had a brain fart. So the Chase Freedom has a $150 sign-up bonus, and the Chase Freedom Unlimited has 3% back on everything. So let me just do that math for you. So the Chase Freedom, you spend $500 on it, you got $150 back. The American Express Everyday Blue Card, you spend $1,000 on it, you got $200 back. So you got $350 back on paying off your car, and you got those at 0%. The American Express Everyday Blue Card, I believe it is for 12 months. So you got 12 months of 0% on that $1,000 that you paid off towards your car. And you got $500 of that you also paid off on your car with the Chase Freedom, that you have 15 months to pay off. Now, what you do with the rest of it is, let's get my phone out so I can do this quick math. So yeah, you put $1,000 on the American Express, and you put $500 on the Chase Freedom. So you paid $1,500 off, right? So you had an $8,000 car loan. You already paid $2,000 down, and now you minus $1,500. Now your balance on your car is $6,500, right? So your balance is $6,500, and now you have the $1,500 that you owe on the American Express, and the $1,500 that you owe combined with the Chase Freedom card and the American Express Everyday Blue Card. So now you only have $6,500 left on your car loan. Now let's say you pay that all off with your Chase Freedom Unlimited. So you pay $6,500, and now you earn 3% back on that $6,500. So that's another $195 in cash back from the Chase Freedom Unlimited. So $195 plus you get $200 back from the American Express card, and you get another $150 back. So you get $545 back. So you save $545, as well as you get your car for 0% interest with the American Express. Let's say you have 12 months, and with the two Chase cards you have 15 months. So now you're paying 0% interest on it. Your car is already paid off. Your credit score went up because you got a car loan and you paid it off ASAP. So even though the banks are kind of upset that they got no interest from you, they're still kind of impressed by you because you paid it off so quick. But yeah, that's exactly how you get your car for 0% interest. But this only works, keep in mind, if you can pay off your car within the 15 months. If you can't pay off your car within the 15 months, after the 15 months, you're going to end up paying a crazy amount of interest, about 20%. But if you can pay it off in the first 15 months, you are getting your car for 0% interest, and you're good. And you save $545 on that car. All right, so everybody, thank you guys for watching this video. I know it was kind of long, but if you do it right, it's definitely worth it. And yeah, guys, if you guys feel like this video helped you, please do like it, comment if you have any questions, and also please do subscribe to my channel. Hit the little notification bell so you're informed every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time.